Did you know the Ottoman Empire kidnapped Christian boys for over 300 years to build their deadliest army? Every few years, Ottoman officials swept through Christian villages in the Balkans, hunting for boys, aged 8 to 15. This was called the Dev-Sherm system. Here's what made it truly horrifying. Families had to present their strongest, smartest sons for selection. If they refused, execution. Once taken, these boys were ripped from everything they knew, forced to convert to Islam, forbidden from ever seeing their families again. The training was brutal. Weakness meant death. Only the survivors became janissaries, elite warriors of the Sultan. But here's the most twisted part. These boys were then sent to conquer their own homelands. They had to kill their former neighbors and destroy the very communities that raised them. And the most chilling detail of all, some Christian families actually volunteered their sons. Why? Because becoming a janissary was the only escape from crushing poverty to imperial power. Parents became willing participants in erasing their own children's identity forever.